What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to Honest Diecast. Just wanted to hop on real quick. It's going to be a really quick episode. As some of you may know, one of our good friends, Diecast Clown, is in the hospital. I don't know the circumstances. I don't know the cause. I don't know anything. But regardless, if you're in the hospital, usually it's going to be something pretty significant. So our good friend James from Hewitt's Diecast and Mark from Man Diecast kind of prompted everybody, kind of called on everybody for support to make video, give support to his channel. So that's what I'm here to do, and to wish our friend, a speedy recovery. In these days and times, you just can't take anything for granted. So definitely wishing Diecast Clown a speedy recovery, and here to just give him a little bit of content to watch while he's in the hospital. So in his honor, I've gotten together my top five favorite factory-ish car supers. From my understanding, he really enjoys factory cars. He enjoys, kind of stock, really clean cars. So I grabbed 5 of them off my wall, my top 5. So let's go over them real quick. So number 5 for my list is quite an unappreciated super that I enjoy very much, but I don't see a lot of people showcasing or having. And this is actually one of the more affordable supers if you're looking to purchase supers online. But this is number 5 for me. This is the Corvette ZR1 super. A lot of people skip this one out a little bit. Don't give it as much credit as it deserves. It's a super clean super, great wheels, great color. Relatively difficult to find, but not too difficult. And again, the price isn't really up there. If any of you are interested in going and searching eBay or Mercari or OfferUp for one of these, still hovering right around anywhere between 30 to 50 bucks for one of these. So definitely one of my favorite supers. And coming in at number 4 is definitely one of my favorites, and is also a lot of people's favorites. A lot of people love this car. A lot of people still don't have this car, and they're still looking for it. But it is going to be the 2019 B-Case R34 GD. Definitely beautiful. I really wish I had a chance to find this one in the wild, but I just didn't. I wasn't really as proficient as I am now as far as hunting supers goes, so I had no shot at this one, but definitely very beautiful. Number 4 on my list, the R34 GTR 2019 B-Case. And number 3 on my list might surprise some people, that might not, but I was so excited to find this car, and I actually found this one hanging right on front of the pegs, with the ID chase sitting right under it, right on the next row of the pegs. But I was so excited to find this one, and I got to give a shout out to my dude Jorge Delgado again. He's the one that said, dude, you're gonna find that thing. He literally said it like a day or two before I actually found it. So props to you again, Jorge. But yeah, this is still probably my favorite super for 2021, and it is the 2021 G-Case GT500. Absolutely love this car. I love the color, I love the wheel choice, I love everything about it. So definitely one of my top 5s that I have in my collection for factory looking supers. The 2021 G-Case GT500. And number 2 on my list, this shouldn't surprise anybody. I've gone over this one many a times. This was my favorite super found from 2020. And it's kind of funny. 2021 G-Case is 3rd, and 2020 G-Case is number 2. The R35 GTR, this was my favorite super of 2020. Absolutely beautiful. So still very stoked for this super. Love this car. I got to try to acquire one for my good friend Mark. some way, somehow, because he still doesn't have that super, and he's got to have one. He has an R35 in real life, so see what I can do, Marquis. And this one should definitely not come as any surprise, and coincidentally this is out of factory fresh from 2019 Q case, my favorite super of all time, which is my dream car in real life. This is my favorite car, my favorite casting to collect, and my real life dream car. The 991 Porsche 911 GT3 RS in that beautiful purple. Absolutely love it. I still get giggly every time I see that car, and I was lucky enough to find 3 of those. So again, guys, just a really short video. I haven't been uploading much. I haven't done any live streams. That'll change this week, so bear with me. Just a lot of stuff going on. Work's very busy, but I definitely had to hop on and show Diecast Clown some love. Hopefully he sees this video. Hopefully he's able to watch it. We love you, and the Diecast community is pulling together to show our love and support for you, buddy. So please just be strong, whatever's going on. We're all here for you. Our best wishes, our love and support is with you. So hopefully all of you enjoyed, and again, hopefully Diecast Clown sees this video. You're in our prayers and in our thoughts. So that'll wrap it up for this really quick episode. Just wanted to showcase my top 5 favorite factory-ish looking supers in thoughts of Diecast Clown. So please head over to his channel, check him out, subscribe, watch some of his content, and send some wishes, some well wishes to him to get better for a speedy recovery. So that'll wrap it up, and we'll see you next time.